Hello everyone, we are back here with a new video, and as I told that in our next video we are going to proceed further with this SQL failover cluster series. So as you can see, I think so all this 4 steps has been done. If you have not watched those videos, please go back and watch these videos, or you can visit our site as well. As I told earlier, you can put some comments if you have certain feedbacks on this article or YouTube. Okay. Fifth step is our NIC or NAT switch. So as I told, it is not mandatory if you are in lab, but if you are creating, if you are, into production, I mean to say, if you are doing it for any sort of organization, like for some organization, you are creating environment, then probably you have to create a heartbeat, NAT switch. You have to create this NIC or network switch. Okay. It is also called heartbeat of the, SQL failover cluster. So we'll see that in a minute. I'll show you how to create this one, or you can just open this article, and if you scroll down, it will guide you on how to create this particular NAT switch in Hyper-V, and then attach it and then assign IPs, which we are going to see in our next videos. Okay. So this video is very simple. So what you have to do, I'll show you that. So as you can see in our last videos, I have configured these 4 VMs. One is our domain controller, and other 3 are going to be part of my SQL failover cluster. So what you have to do is, first we have to create one new NAT switch. So what you have to do, on your right, you can see virtual switch manager. Click on this. And as you can see, I have currently 2. One is coming from my default switch, another one is KTTY2 switch. Now I want to create one more, okay, with a name. So I'll just create internal. It is going to be internal, and I will name it as, KTTYT. And this is I'm going to create for my SQL FCI, and I'll put it switch. Okay. Just to understand, I am putting this naming convention. You can put whatever you want. And once this is done, you have to hit apply, and you have to hit OK. And once this is done, okay, our NAT switch virtual switch manager has been created. Switch manager, I mean to say, this particular switch has been created. Now we are good to go. We can assign for all these 4 VMs. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to turn off all these 4 VMs. Okay, and I will show you with one particular VM, just one example, and you have to do all for other 4 VMs as well. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to right click. Okay, once you turn off, currently you can see the state is turned off, otherwise you can't do it. Okay, right click, go to settings. Okay, once you hit settings, in the first option itself you will find add hardware. Click on network adapter, click on add, and on the virtual switch you have to expand, and you have to add that newly created switch here. Okay, as you can see, so current we have 2 switches now, that is KTTYT and switch. You have to hit apply. Okay, once you hit apply and okay, then your switch will be added to this particular machines, and then we can assign IPs for all these network switches. Okay, in once we log into the VM, so you have to do the same procedure for all the 4 VMs. Okay, so this is how you can create a new virtual switch, I mean to say network switch, and attach it to all the VMs. Okay, I think so you got this video. It is very simple and small. Please do that, and we'll see you in next video. And our next video is going to be assign IPs. As you can see, assign static IP to our machine. So if I click this, now we have to assign the IPs, static IPs for all our machines, which are going to be part of my SQL failover cluster. Okay, so we'll see you in next upcoming videos. In that video we'll see, as I told, assigning IPs. Please feel free to watch our previous videos if you have not watched, otherwise it will be a confusion. We'll see you in next upcoming videos in our Microsoft SQL Server failover cluster series.